Okay, so I'm Tim Jackson here at Weston Park.
I'm Jamie Privet, Weston Park.
And these are the Hangar 9 OV-10 Broncos, made by Hangar 9. Jamie's exactly the same model.
I'm currently running Dearly 30s, where Tim's got the RTGFs. The 30s fly fine, but if you want a bit more up punch, then go with the 35s.
35s,
yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, we've had one flight today already, and that was interesting. It's the first time we've flown together.
Well, I think it's the first time two Broncos have been up.
It's the first time, in the world, I think, two Broncos have been up together.
Nice.
So good
breaking
achievement
records.
today. Yeah, breaking records.
Breaking records.
Yeah, it's a good flight, and it's a fantastic model. So if you
for a first-time twin, it's just a big old school bus. It just flies so docile, so stable, even with the flaps on. You're not running gyro, you right? I'm not running any gyro whatsoever.
I am.
And it's just so well. I've got the two gyros here,
Yeah.
but it's just such a stable machine, such a stable platform. Ali done a really good job on this one.
Yeah. I mean, I've got a gyro, but you don't need it. To be honest, if you flick it off, you don't really notice the difference. It is superb, like Jamie says. First twin, ideal, platform to run that on, and just a superb flying model.
kilograms, all at weight. So Tim Jackson, Jamie Privet, the Broncos on the right hand side coming through. With the Bronco stack. you go. Doesn't like it, but it will do it.
Give me 5 minutes. You've got 3.
Hangar Broncos. The undercarriage. Good news. A round of applause, please, for the Broncos, ladies and gentlemen. If you enjoyed that flight, thank you. Guys.
Guys, Brother 303 here. Thanks for watching this Weston Park 2021 video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you've got any questions about the model, stick it in the comments box. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe. See you soon.